Can I finish my story, please?
What up, everybody? So, got a unboxing here. Look at how big this box is. Can't even fit it all the way in frame on the table. So, normally when I get a box this big, it's usually something with foam. So, I'm suspecting that's what this is, unless it's something like the FX7C, which was really big in the box too. But this is from iBuyRC, Amazon seller. Link will be in the description. So let's check it out. Oh man, that's a big box. Let's see if I can get it all in frame there. Oh, kind of. All right, so if you can see that, this is a QX5 from Hero RC. There we go. So I did a review on a Hero RC recently. That's a rebrand of X5C, X5SC, I believe it was. So this might be a rebrand. Maybe the WL Toys V. Help me out here, guys. V66. I can't remember which one it was, but it was one of the WL Toys with the big foam frame around it. That's kind of what this looks like. So let's open it up here. All right. The box is so big. All right. So here's the quad. Look at all the LEDs. They go all the way around. So that's gonna be pretty cool. So in the box, here's the quad. Looks like some stickers. Looks like you get some stickers, I guess, for, you know, making it cooler. Let's see. You get 2 batteries. This model here came with 2 batteries, and they're 7.4 volt, 850 milliamp hour batteries. And it comes with 2. And you get a balance charger and the plug. And full set of spare props, a USB card reader, and it looks like there's a card in it. So, and a 4 gig micro SD. So that's pretty good, 4 gig. And then full set of instructions here, and that's about it. Oh, and the transmitter. So here's the transmitter. It kind of looks like the WL Toys transmitter. So we'll have to see what protocol this is on, and these are, you know, pretty good transmitters. Not bad at all. So let's plug in the battery and see about the lights, because that's what looks really interesting on this. So all right, so yeah, this thing lights up crazy all the way around. So this is definitely going to be a night flyer. Definitely probably do the maiden flight here in a little while at night. So that's crazy how cool the lights are on this. little sub there. So awesome. So this is the QX5 from Hero RC, and we'll get it charged up and fly it here at night. And thanks for watching.